got these for Emily. I got these because I'm gonna do something special for Emily. These coaches. We really want to give up the next few. This one is a good one. You know I already have this. Got it here. This. We also got 2 snow plows. These are special snow plows. So I'll go ahead and grab Spencer real quick. Enough playing around with it. Excuse me. The last thing we got in here is something that I actually printed. Two more custom battery colors. So that's really it for this little lot. Alright, so as y'all know, I did get a 3D print of O-Shape Blue Heron Custom Trapmaster. And I also got another Alfred shell, and that's my 5th Alfred shell so far. And I will be turning this into either Hazel or I might make Hazel from it. And this O-Shape Henry, even though I already have an O-Shape Henry, I'm gonna be selling my other one. 2 snowplows. I got them for my Spencer, and I also got one for Mallard. These 2 3D print coaches. These are gonna be for Emily when I do a custom paint job for these guys. And 2 extra battery colors. Or 2 3D print. So I don't really have much else to say about it, but I know there's gonna be more future customers on the way, so y'all go ahead and stay tuned for that. I'm going to shut down this video. Thanks for watching.